my silent companion. My best friend is a simple notebook. It might sound strange, but this notebook has been with me through thick and thin. It's not just any notebook, it's my special one, where I write all my thoughts, dreams, and worries. Every morning, I start my day by writing in it. I pour my heart out, whether I am happy, sad, or confused. The notebook listens without judging, and it never interrupts. It helps me understand myself better and see things clearly. When I first got the notebook, it was just a blank book with empty pages. But as I wrote in it, page by page, it became a reflection of my soul. It holds my secrets, my fears, and my joys. Whenever I feel lonely or stressed, I open it and find comfort in the words I have written. This notebook has seen me grow. It knows about my journey to learn English, my dreams of traveling the world, and my hopes for the future. It's always there, quietly waiting for me to share my thoughts. Unlike people, my notebook never gets tired of listening. It never judges or criticizes me. It helps me process my feelings and gives me a sense of peace. It's a silent friend that offers endless support. Through writing, I have learned the power of self-expression. My notebook has taught me that it's okay to be vulnerable and that it's important to take time for myself. It reminds me that my thoughts and feelings matter. So, in a way, my notebook is more than a friend. It's a part of me, a mirror to my inner world, and for that I am truly grateful.